train tracks to Layla.
We're staying in the station right now.
Next time. Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to take some of the Hotel Callahan. I'm going to take some pictures of these signs. PortAventura this way. This is nice, isn't it, George?
Oh, they have Ben and Jerry.
It'd be funny if we get into the theme park and the theme park's terrible. She's got a swimsuit on.
It's a swimming pool then, Mum.
Yeah, I think they're real.
That's the one where Charlotte said it was. Oh, that was actually. Charlotte. She was like,
it.
That's horrible.
It puts the croquet to shame, really. It looks much nicer than the croquet, doesn't it? Although it's like similar.
Yeah, this one
It just looks.
There's so much
Yeah.
more. Yeah, it's giving Davy Crockett detail, isn't it? It's actually giving Davy Crockett.
The Spanish are definitely not scrimping on their design.
Davy Crockett.
Which is strange because it is like 20 times richer than
This is the town square.
the world.
Did you stay here for like another day, Mum? Yeah. Really? We need like, you know.
Oh, why grubs so big?
A few days.
Look, there's a sign here, Georgie. Main Street. Yeah, we're on Main Street. We'll have to put your picture on there, Riley.
Why?
Wanted.
I'm not working on those.
Look at it. Look at this. Cattle rustlers and horse thieves will be hung. Oh, I wish I had my Crocs on. Wow, look at this. Oh,
Look, they're real cactuses.
I wonder what it looks like at night time.
Are they actually rich? Yeah.
Yeah, probably. I don't know.
Whoa.
I'm gonna love taking pictures down here. There's the photo shop. Hidden in there. Yeah, not the photo shop, as in the thing. That's lovely. Oh, your boy's picked a good in here. Massive, isn't it?
We're not here for longer, is it?
It's bloody massive.
Míralo, la bandera a la derecha. La bandera, no la bandera. No, la bandera. No.
Turkey shoot.
Go out and start a brand new live. You don't think you can make money with West. Go ahead and run start. I don't have to mean nothing at all. Now this price is what I can get some bucks. He's money up around here.
Are they going on the ride without us?
Ah, they're waiting. It's just the ugly, isn't it? It's just so hard to walk around.
Especially in like 32 degrees. With like a 7 kilo angle.
Imagine being allowed to have your phone on the ride and you just stare at YouTube the whole time.
Is that what you do?
Friday. I don't think he was doing it on the road. He's doing it on the road. He's on his phone now. But imagine actually doing it.
Riley, you can't wear your hat.
John Paul was only 40.
Or you can't wear your trainer. Well, you can.
Albie, I never went on the carousel.
Chicken stampeder. See you later, Uncharted. My feet are dead.
You wouldn't.
By sending it small.
Gracias, hasta luego. Hasta luego, PortAventura.
You know, I think the only roller coaster that I've been on that I found like actually smooth was Shambhala. Because I did not bang my head at all. But on Dragon Con you bang your head, and on Furious Bucko they sit in the back.
Friday.
Yeah. I can't believe we thought you were staying in this hotel.
Why?
I can't believe we didn't.
Right, yeah, we went on them cars. The ones with all the tires. This is actually a good wrap.
Yeah, we can try.